there, I'm Kitchen Kimberly. I'm so glad you're here today. We've talked about breakfast, lunch, dinner, all kinds of great ways to eat a plant-based diet. However, we have not talked about snacks. And today's the day I'm going to show you how easy it is to make a delicious homemade hummus. And we're going to put a little Tex-Mex twist on it. Today I'm using my Vitamix blender, but if you don't have one, a food processor works just as well for a nice creamy hummus. We start with a can of garbanzo beans with the liquid. I like to use low-sodium garbanzo beans for this recipe. Next, we have tahini, and I'm using 3 tablespoons. If you like a little more tahini in your hummus, then you can certainly add more. For bright flavor, I love juicing some citrus in this recipe, so I'm using a whole lemon and a lime. And for that great Tex-Mex kick, we've got chili powder, onion powder, ground cumin, garlic powder, and some dried Mexican oregano. Then we just blend it all up until it's nice and creamy. Finally, I'm going to add a can of white kidney beans, or cannellini beans as they're known, that have been drained and rinsed. These beans add a really creamy element to hummus, and I love the thick texture that they add as well. Just blend that up, using the tamper if you have a Vitamix to push the food towards the blade so it'll blend smoothly, and then just pour it into your bowl, smooth it out, and you're ready to serve with some crisp vegetables. I typically like to serve this with carrot sticks, celery sticks, broccoli, cucumber slices, or multigrain crackers. Any way you serve it, it's a great and healthy snack. I hope you've enjoyed this video and that you're inspired to make your own homemade hummus now. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up by hitting that like button. Also, if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe and be a part of this plant-based community. I make fresh content weekly to help you enjoy a plant-based lifestyle. You can find this recipe on my website, kitchenkimberly.com. And remember, you have the power of your own good health right there in your hands. Just look at what's on the end of your fork, or in this case, your carrot stick, and make sure it's plant-based. I'll see you next time. Have a great and healthy day.